It should have been dead, you know. It's just really a blessing from the Lord that's still alive. Flies like a dream, flies better than it used to. Just really good to be back in the air, and thankful to have this awesome tool to use for Bible camp and ministry in Southwest Alaska. So, way to go, guys. My name is Mark McGee, and my wife and I own this airplane, but really it's God's airplane that we get to use for ministry out at Tanalian Bible Camp, where I'm the executive director. It's located in rural Alaska, accessible really only by aircraft. Bible Camp's been around the Southwest Alaska region for over 50 years, serving the families and communities of Bristol Bay, the Lakes area, and Southwest Alaska. This is a tool that we'll use in the years to come to visit campers, to have opportunities to go visit lay people and churches in Southwest Alaska, Western Alaska, so that they can hear the good news about Jesus Christ. This airplane's a 1966 Piper Cherokee, and at the last inspection, the FAA issued a special inspection to look at a structural component of the wing and was found to be damaged and cracked. That was a safety issue. And so working with Derek and the guys here at MARC came up with a solution, and we had some pieces and parts donated. People donated funds. MARC donated labor to get this airplane all repaired. They basically rebuilt an entire wing, the right wing on this airplane, and took it off, put it back on, and cleaned it up, and it is in great shape. It should have been dead, you know. It's just really a blessing from the Lord that's still alive.
Well, I don't know if you want to see it or not, but I had the end of your spar that I cut off.
Yeah.
So that we cut this off of this wing. These bolt holes here were the ones that were inspected, and this bolt hole here failed the inspection. It indicated a crack. Yeah, that's the hole that failed you.
Sweet. It's all together. Hey, Derek. It's back.
Good to see you.
Cool.
Yeah, go ahead and, do you want a pre-flight in here, then we can push you out? And...
Yeah. flight just came today. It's a beautiful day here in Alaska to fly it back home to Port Ellsworth, where in just over a week I'll do one of our first ministry trips with it again to go visit some pastors and some of our campers in one of our villages. Job well done, Derek.
You're welcome. It's a blessing.
Yeah.
This is what we're here for.